85,000 views on my very first video. Learn by Leo got 200,000 plus views on his first video. Isaac got 600,000 plus views on his first video. Jack Craig got 600,000 plus views on his first video. And there are many more channels whose first video completely blew up. So, getting so many views on the very first video sounds impossible, right? But it is possible. Now comment and tell me how many views your first video got. I really want to know. Here, people upload 40 to 50 videos and still struggle to even maintain 1,000 views. So how are these creators getting millions of views on their very first video? The reason is, they followed 5 very important strategies before uploading the video and after uploading the video, because of which their first video itself get millions of views. All these points are extremely important. And the last one is the most important. Point 1. Create a new and fresh YouTube channel. I always suggest creating a brand new YouTube channel. And here's why. If you've been using a channel for a long time, chances are you uploaded different types of content in the past. Some videos may have copyright claims or even strikes. A few videos might have been removed or underperformed. All these things affect how YouTube's algorithm views your channel. Another big issue is inactive subscribers. On older channels, many subscribers stop watching your videos over time. So when you upload a new video, YouTube assumes even the creator's own subscribers aren't interested. Because of this, your impressions reduce heavily, or sometimes YouTube stops pushing the video completely. Unless the video is based on a highly trending topic, this problem is very common with old channels. Most of the successful channels I mentioned earlier were newly created. Even I personally started with a fresh channel. That's why, if you're serious about growth, starting new can give you a much better push. Point 2. Make your channel 100% ready before uploading. Once you've created your YouTube channel, finished all the basic settings, ask yourself one honest question. Would you upload videos on a channel that looks empty and unprofessional? Or would you first make it look clean, complete, and trustworthy? Of course, the second option. That's why before uploading anything, you must set up these things properly. Channel name, profile, logo, channel banner, channel description. Your channel name and logo are the most important. Choose them wisely because they represent your brand and identity. If you keep changing them again and again, people won't recognize your channel. Always go for a unique, meaningful name that matches your niche. When writing the description, stay focused on your niche, your interest or passion. For example, if you run a gaming channel, you can write something like, "Hi, I'm Vicky. I love playing different mobile and PC games and sharing my gameplay here. I hope you enjoy watching these videos as much as I enjoy creating them." Avoid writing unnecessary or random information. Keep everything relevant and niche-focused. Once this setup is done, your channel is fully ready for uploads. Point 3. Research a trending and high-demand topic. Before creating your first video, research a topic related to your niche that is currently trending or has high demand. Example, nihilist penguin meme was trending. Many creators made a video on it. In my case, before my first video, I spent 3 to 4 hours researching what the audience actually wanted. I checked comment sections of channels like Jack Craig, Isaac, and whichever topic had the most comments. I made a video on that topic. This trick worked really well for me. Same with gaming. Right now, Minecraft Trapper versus 1,000 players is trending. If you upload gameplay videos related to it, you'll automatically get views because of the trend. But just choosing a trending topic is not enough. Point 4. Create high-quality content with powerful editing. Always remember one thing. In content creation, only 2 elements matter the most: storytelling, editing. Now, think about the creators who blew up from their very first video. If you watch their initial uploads, you'll notice premium-level editing, clear and confident voiceover, strong overall presentation. Their first video never felt beginner-level. They had a unique style, an engaging, energetic voice, a clear way of presenting content. That's what made them stand out. Because of this, audience retention stayed high. High retention leads to more impressions. More impressions automatically bring more views. Most of these creators already understood YouTube very well, and normally, gaining this knowledge takes years. That's why we break it down and share everything in 8 to 10-minute videos, so you don't have to waste years figuring it out yourself. Important uploading tip: don't skip this. Uploading a video doesn't mean you must publish it immediately. You can keep the video unlisted or private properly. Research the title. Add correct tags. Optimize SEO carefully. Only after everything is done, make the video public. One final thing to remember. It's not necessary that views come instantly after uploading. Sometimes, views start after a few weeks or even after a few months. In my own case, my video started getting views 1 week after upload. Why does this happen? Because of how YouTube's algorithm works. But if you follow all the steps I've shared in this video, then yes, your very first video can blow up. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.